Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 11,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control, automatic wipers, as well as our heads-up display. Moving on to our screen, we can access setup, media, which includes our Apple and Android CarPlay, radio, our button settings, navigation, and map. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our climate control, as well as heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between sport, eco, normal, and if we hold down, eco plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.